In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a demo account in Exness. If you want to practice trading without risking real money, then opening a demo account in Exness is one of the best ways to get started. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, log in using your credentials. Hover on the left side panel of your dashboard. Click the Trading tab. There is a drop-down menu and I want you to click the My Accounts. A demo account lets you practice trading using virtual money, so you can learn the platform, test strategies, and understand how trading works without risking your real funds. If you're ready to begin, click the Open an Account. And then you can choose from any of the following. You can choose a standard set, a professional account, like Pro, Raw Spread, Zero, it's up to you. So we're going to choose the standard for now. I want you to click the Continue button. And then you see that here you have two options. You can use a demo and a real account. But of course, we're going to choose the demo account. And all I have to do now is choose the currency. You can choose from, let's say, Singaporean, let's say you have a Vietnamese, but for now, I'm going to stick with the USD. You can set your starting balance. Let's say at this point, you can choose your nickname. And of course, you can also choose the max leverage. Since this is a demo account, you can choose one unlimited. And you can also choose the trading platform. Is it going to be an MT5 or an MT4? And of course, you need to choose the trading password. Once you've done that, click the Create an Account, and there you go. You have now successfully created a demo account here in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.